Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Hello Kitty zombie Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off on the top right and let's draw the bow. Let's start with the circle. Then for the top, let's curve it up, down, and back around on both sides. Now inside each side, let's add a curve in the center. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start next to the bow on the left and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it down and curve it slightly in on both sides. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move up and let's add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up. Then let's curve it back down. And we're going to do the same thing on the top right above the bow. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing two ovals for the eyes. And then color both of these in black. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. Next, let's move to the sides and let's draw 3 whiskers on both cheeks. And lastly, for the face, let's add some stitches on the top left. Let's draw a thick diagonal line, and then add 3 stitch lines across. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and let's draw the details on the body. Let's start by drawing 2 angled lines coming down to a point in the center. Then underneath, let's draw 2 curves across. Next, let's hop down to the bottom. From the bottom left, let's draw a curve in, and then a V-shaped point up. Now from the bottom right, let's draw a shorter line in, and a V-shape up, another curve, and one more point. And now let's connect it with a curve across. And that's it for Zombie Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!